Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on this channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to download shaders on Minecraft Java Edition for 1.161. I don't know why it's so hard to say, but this is a very quick tutorial. If you guys don't already have Optifine, make sure to download that, and I have a tutorial on that. I just uploaded it today, I believe, and yeah, that's like my third recording today. I have one scheduled for Friday and then Monday, because I upload every single weekday. So make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for all that, because my channel's kind of dead because it's a tutorial video. So when you upload tutorials, people that sub usually don't watch every single video, so it kind of sucks because my channel's usually dead. But make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all the videos. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to download these shaders. I'm going to be using Silder's shaders. These are the ones that I personally use. They're super nice looking. I'll even show you guys them in game with like a house I'm building right now. No, I was just really bored today and I decided to build like a mansion, so I guess I'll show you guys what they look like on like all time of day, and I'll just show you guys in the survival world. So basically this link will be in the description. You're just going to click this one. This is a really good shader, and my PC is not that good. I have like a GTX 1050 and a i5 8400 and only 8 RAM. I mean, it's kind of standard, but it's not the greatest. So you're just gonna click on downloads right here on the left side of the screen. And as soon as this is loaded up, you have a bunch of these. It depends on what kind of PC you have. For me, I did extreme volumetric lighting, and I just pressed download on that. And as you can see, I'll load up an add focus thing. And don't click anything on here. Don't click anything. You wait up here in the top right corner and then press skip, and it should load up right here as a zip file. But before we click download, I mean, you can download it right now. But I'll download it again. Sometimes for some reason a link will show up. But as you can see right down here, it's a zip file, and I'll show you guys how to fix that if you guys are having trouble with that. Because sometimes like a zip file will open as a WinRAR, or anything else like a jar or whatever. So I'll just show you guys how to fix it. So you're just gonna go in Control Panel, then Programs, and Default Programs, and then you're just gonna go to Associate a file type or protocol with a program, and you're just going to click on that, and it should open settings if you're on Windows 10. And then you're just going to go down all the way to choose default apps by file type, and then just load this up. This should take a couple of minutes. Usually it does for me. I'm not sure if it will for you, but this usually does take a couple of minutes for me. Alright, so as soon as this is loaded up, you're just going to click on this little wheel right here. It will extend, and then you're going to go all the way down to the Z, the very bottom, and there will be a zip file. So where is it? Where is the zip? I'm trying to find it right now. I probably already passed it, did I? Okay, for some reason I can't find a zip file. I don't know why it's not showing up. I'm not sure, but basically I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna like show you guys how to do it. So say this is like this zoo file. I've noted that this. Say it's like the .zip right here. You're just gonna click on choose a default, and there should be Internet Explorer. So if I go on this one right here, or one of them should do it. I'm not sure. Let me go on this one maybe. For some reason it's being weird now as soon as I'm recording, but it should be Internet Explorer, and it will show the internet, and that's how it will show up in this folder. So as soon as you do that, that's never happened to me before. This just happened now. You should close it to that, and as you can see, it'll show up like this. And the next step, you're just gonna go in your Minecraft launcher right here, and wait for this to load up. And as soon as this is loading up, you are going to want to have Optifine, like I said earlier. It's like mandatory for this, I believe. So as you can see, you're going to have Optifine on 1.6.1, like the latest release. You're just going to click on play and wait for this to load up. This should take a couple of moments. Depends how fast your PC is. So I'll catch you guys when I actually have this game launched up. Alright, so it's literally been like half an hour, and it's finally about to load up. Like, hopefully. It's been forever. I don't know why it's taking so long, but I've literally been sitting here just scrolling on Instagram because it's been taking so long. So it should load up literally any second. And while we're waiting here, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Because there's like a giant percentage, I don't know the exact number, but a giant percentage of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed because I do tutorial videos, and it's not really like content gaming videos. So it's mainly that's the reason, but it would really help out if you subscribed. We're growing at a pretty fast rate. We're going at like, I'm not even sure, like 20 to 30 subs a day now. So it's pretty cool. I like it. It's nice. I quite enjoy it. We're just sitting here frozen at the screen right now. And also, if you guys want to know how to get my mouse right here, like as you can see, I have a pink mouse cursor. I have a video on that as well. I have a video on like everything that I have. So if you guys see anything that you like my background, for example, I did a video on that. Like I literally have tutorials on everything that I have. So if you guys need anything that I have, it looks pretty cool, just scroll to my channel and I'll have it. But here we are. On the main menu, I just got options right here, and this is what with Optifine looks like. There's so much more settings with Optifine. So yeah, just gonna go on options, and then video settings, shaders, and as you can see, I have these two shaders right now. And by the way, if it doesn't work, if yours is on eternal or internal, I thought that meant like when I first got shaders, I thought that meant that you're allowed getting shaders, but click off before you do it, because I believe if you have it on internal, it does not work. So make sure to have it on off, or else it won't work. So basically, just have it off if you don't have any of these, and you're just gonna click on shaders folders down here, and it should load up a little shader pack folder. So here we go. It should load up any second here. Just go to my home screen here, and as you can see, these two shaders right here. So basically, all you're gonna have to do is go in your Chrome. And I don't know why my PC is being so slow right now. It's probably, I think it's been on for a while, because I had it on overnight and I probably shouldn't have. But yeah, I think that's why it's being really slow right now. But for some reason, Chrome's even taking long to load up. Usually it loads up in like 0.5 seconds, but it's taking a while for some reason. Okay, so here we are in the Google Chrome. This right here, as you can see, the bottom right down here, it shows the zip file. And basically, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna pick it up, and you're just going to drag it into the shader packs, and I already have it, so it might ask if I want to duplicate it. So I'm just going to, okay, there we go. It's already in there, but as soon as it's in there, you're literally good to go. I'm just going to delete it because I already have one, and my PC is being super slow right now, and this is bugging me. Okay, so I'm just going to click on delete. It's literally taking long to go down here. It's like freezing. Okay, so I'm just going to click delete for that because I already have it, and you're just going to close out of that. You can close out of Google as well. Yeah, it's literally taking forever to even close out of Google for some reason. I don't know what's going on right now. I probably need to like, yeah, oh, that's why Chrome's not responding. You love to see it. Now I'm going to have to sit here for an extra 30 minutes just waiting here. Okay, never mind. It might close here. Okay, there we go. All right, so as soon as we got that done, you have to go in your Minecraft 1.16, point 1, whatever you have, and it should be here. You can select it. If it's not, let me know in the comments and I could try and fix it in an extra video. So yeah, I'm just gonna click done, and I'll show you guys what these look like in my mansion world and a survival world with a bunch of water and all that stuff, just a plain survival world. So I'll just give you guys some clips right here. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.